Hi, this is Dr. Tom Falkenberry from the Department of Psychological Sciences at Tarleton State University. I want to do a quick video to show you how to do some things in JASP. The first video in this series, I'm going to show you how to load a data file, so this will be really short. When you open JASP, you are given something like this where you've got a File tab and a Common tab. There's no data in there right now. What you have to have is you have to have a CSV file, so that's a comma-separated value spreadsheet file. Something that you would open in Excel, for instance. But for right now, the only thing that JASP will open is a CSV file. So if you have that and you know where it is, then you're ready to go. So when you go to the File tab, we'll just go to Open, and then you'll want to scroll around and find where you have saved the file. I have this little sample file on my desktop, and it is called jaspsampledata.csv. So I'll highlight that and click Open, and then it'll put the file into the Common tab for me. So this is my entire data set. Now this is a little sample file that shows, let's see, it looks like 50 participants who had various ages and genders and did 2 surveys, and I'm going to look at that data in a little while. The first thing you need to do before doing anything, though, is once you've loaded the data, make sure that JASP is reading your data correctly, because oftentimes the data will be entered in such a way that JASP isn't sure if the variables are nominal, ordinal, interval ratio, so you need to make sure that you know what they are. So for example, if you look up here at these variable names, age, gender, survey 1, survey 2, you notice they have various symbols beside them. And those symbols represent what JASP thinks its best guess, as it were, of what the data type is. So for age, I know that that's what I'm going to consider an interval ratio variable, a continuous variable. And so I want to change that from this nominal variable, which is designated by the Venn diagram. I want to change that to continuous, so I'm going to use a ruler for that symbol. Okay. Now, gender is a nominal variable, as it correctly read, but survey 1 and 2 are both intervals. So I want to make sure and click both of those and make sure that I turn them into the right variable type. Now, when I go to do various analyses, the right analysis will pop up, and I can actually do what it is I say I want to do. So that's all there is to loading a data set and changing the variable type. So watch the next video for more.